Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today I will show you how to make a cup in Blender software. And here you can see this is the Blender software. And what we're gonna do now is just delete this cube by pressing X, and then delete this. Wait a second. There you go. You can see in here. This is what button I press. Okay, and then after that, Shift A to make to add some mesh. And here I was gonna use cylinder, white cylinder, because that is the basic round like a cup. So we'll use to use cylinder mesh, and then vertices we're gonna change to 16. Okay, then drag it to the middle of in here. Then we're going to numpad 1, then front, and then go to the tab to edit mode, preparation tab. Okay, and then press Z for wireframe, and then select the bottom side. We're gonna stretch it by pressing G and then Z like that, and then scale it down like oops. Then select the upper side, stretch again. Okay, you can see like that, and then go to the object modifier, and then add modifier subdivision surface. Then it's gonna be like this, and we're weird, but that's okay. I'm gonna change this to 3 or 4. Okay, gonna use 3 and then render it 3, and back to the model, then Ctrl R to add some edge around the cylinder. Just move it to the upper, and then make it again. Same make it here. Okay, make it again in the middle of here, and then scale it to make it more rounded. Okay, I'm gonna scale it. You can see it's gonna be like this. Okay, it's almost done. And then by Alt and select this vertex. Alt is used to select all around this thing. Okay, and then press I to insert it like this one. Okay, gonna be like this. Then extrude it by pressing E and Z. Okay, gonna be like that. Kinda weird, it's okay. Then press I to make it like this. Oh, oops, wrong. Control R in here. Control R. Okay, gonna make like this, and then Control and press S. Maybe like that. They also did in here. Yes. Okay, this side gonna be like this. Like this, okay. Yeah, there you go. It's gonna be like that. Oops, I in here, in the bottom of the cup, use I again. I to make like this. It's gotta be flat like this. cup is more like, yeah, it's a cup. So then the cup is already to render it. So if you want to make it like more shiny or like more material, and in here you can see the ball, we call it material. Before that, change this to cycle render. Okay, and then add new. This it's gonna be changed glossy. Okay, change the color what you want. You can see in here, gonna be it's not gonna be changes, but if you press Ctrl Shift Z, gonna be changed in here. Why is so dark? Because the lamp is so far away. And we do this, okay? In here, when we roll this, it's gonna be like this. Okay, done. So that's it. How to make your Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you don't like it, just press the dislike button. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks. See you next time.